More graffiti than ever in Seattle, and I think we need to take the bull by the horns and get after it.
Get after a problem that's impacting businesses.
When you see that graffiti, it's kind of a letdown because you know that a small business is trying really hard to do what they can to succeed.
Don Blakeney is the executive director of U District Partnership, which focuses on serving the neighborhood. He says in any given month, his crews clean up around 1,600 graffiti tags.
I work with a lot of small businesses. They consistently get hit with graffiti tags, and it's a huge cost to them. It can cost a small business thousands of dollars. Some some people who vandalize use acid, and it can destroy a whole plate glass window. That can cost $5,000 to replace.
He believes the problem has grown since this past summer's ruling that halted officers to enforce graffiti-related crimes. It stems from a lawsuit filed against the city, where 4 protesters argued their First Amendment rights were violated when they were arrested in 2021 for writing chalk messages outside a police station. However, Seattle City Attorney Ann Davison announced on Friday the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit reversed that lower court ruling. In a statement, Davison said in part, "Graffiti is a massive problem for our city, costing taxpayers, businesses, and residents millions of dollars while creating widespread visual blight. We must have as many tools as possible to protect neighbors and residents impacted by graffiti."
It's a huge impact, no matter if it's public property or private property, so we appreciate that the city's taking a focus on it.
Reporting in Seattle, Brady Wakayama, King 5 News.
We did speak with a handful of people off camera who told us that they were against this reverse ruling. Some argue graffiti is art and should not be considered a crime. Others added the city should focus on addressing other issues like drugs and homelessness.